Yeah, still 175-mile-an-hour winds. This is one of the strongest hurricanes so far this season, very close to what Irma was in a very similar location just a little under 2 weeks ago. This storm is very close to St. Croix, about 30 miles away now at this point, and is moving eventually toward Puerto Rico with a landfall there and then toward the Turks and Caicos. There's a look at this hurricane tonight. The eye is very compact, about 10 to 15 miles wide. You can see it clearly there, and there's the island of St. Croix. So this could make a landfall. It's going to be very close. It looks like it's going to at least clip the western side of the island before it moves over to Puerto Rico tomorrow afternoon. There's even a closer look. So there's a look at the island of St. Croix, and that's about 20 to 30 miles away. So they'll get their strongest winds likely in the next 2 to 4 hours. There's a band working in right now, this one here across the island, that likely has about 100-mile-an-hour wind gusts with it, maybe even higher. They're getting reports already of 80 and 90-mile-an-hour winds, and of course the core winds are right in this area here. The latest track brings the hurricane eventually across Puerto Rico as a Category 5 and then weakens it as it pushes towards the Turks and Caicos. That happens as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Eventually its closest approach is in our area about Sunday, but for us, the storm is well off the coastline, so we get breezy conditions here, but we definitely miss the brunt of this storm, and we're already starting to feel some of the effects of Jose with the swell to the north. So it is a very, very active weather pattern across South Florida, and of course, obviously much more active and concerning across the Caribbean tonight.